Celebrate good times. Come on.
Yeah, that's right.
Hello.
We're college grads.
Welcome back to the kit. Am I okay? I don't know literally what I was about to say.
Was that for your other podcast?
I literally don't know what that was. Welcome back to the Couch Potatoes podcast.
Jeez.
The graduated Couch Potatoes podcast.
Exactly.
The educated Couch Potatoes podcast.
The intellectual Couch Potatoes podcast.
The informed Couch Potatoes podcast.
This is Eva.
This is Sophia.
Yippee!
And we graduated! Woohoo!
Bub is not liking... We have hats. We have our hats on.
Yes! If you're not watching on YouTube. Wait, is my tassel on the right side? At the end, we should graduate in.
I don't think... Oh, yeah. My tassel's on the right side before graduating. I put it on the side so the camera can see it.
Oh,
and
okay.
it's full entirety. Also, so if I move, you know...
Should I put it on the other side then? So that you can really see it?
Yes. Yes.
Damn
really right.
Silly. So yeah. We're here. We're no longer students.
Nope.
We have undergraduate degrees.
We've officially reached unemployment.
Speak for yourself.
Shit.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, literally though.
And we're officially biologists. So
yeah. That's what you want, yeah? Hey.
So my brother posted me on LinkedIn.
I just liked that today, actually.
I liked it the other day when he posted it. But can you believe he lied on my name so hard?
He was lying, and he was doing you some favors? Honestly, I think it was all favors, actually.
It was all favors. Wait, sorry, before we get into that, should we, say our credentials?
Oh my god, you go first. Go ahead.
Okay, so my name is Sophia Scholes.
Oh, shit.
Oh, wait, have we ever said our last names?
No, I don't think so.
But it doesn't matter. My name is Sophia Scholes. On Thursday, I graduated from TCNJ with a Bachelor's of Science in Biology and minors in Psychology and Women, Gender, and Sexuality Studies.
Yep.
And I graduated magna cum laude.
Hell yes.
Your turn.
Yippee! Clap, clap, clap!
Yay!
Yippee! All right, well, mine's going to sound kind of similar.
Yeah, it is.
So,
That's
I'm
okay.
Eva. And I also graduated from the College of New Jersey this past Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
And I graduated with a Bachelor's of Arts in biology. And I, too, had 2 minors in psychology, not in WGS, but in public health. Mm-hmm. And I also received magna cum laude Latin honors.
Yes, as you can tell by our tassels.
Our gold tassels.
Uh-huh. For those of you that aren't graduating with Latin honors.
You know what?
These mean that.
I saw people, because what they do at our graduation, I don't know if this is probably standard, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
Where they ask you to stand. They do okay, for the 27 people who graduated summa cum laude, stand up.
Yeah.
But a bunch of people who stood didn't have the gold tassels, so I think they just
were confused
at the bookstore, which is what I would have done.
No, literally.
That's what I would have did.
Because we literally show up to the bookstore to get our caps and gowns, and they're like, "Are you graduating with honors?" I
was like,
and I went first, so I was like, "Uh-huh."
And I was like, Sophia.
I think we told this actually already.
We might have, yeah.
I think we talked about this. Yeah. But they literally just take your word for it. They're just like, "Are you graduating? Okay, here's your tassel." Mm-hmm. So, yeah, that's what our gold tassels mean.
Yeah. Damn right.
Anyways, my brother posted me on LinkedIn. And he texted me a couple days before, and he was like, "Is it okay if I post you on LinkedIn?" And I was like, "Ooh, fun. What for?" And then he never answered me.
Oh.
So, and then I go on his LinkedIn, and he posted. He's just such a LinkedIn influencer. Do you love the verbiage he uses? Mm-hmm. I can't remember off the top of my head, but the first line was "proud big brother moment," and then later it said, "Thanks for making me feel so old," or something like that.
Yeah.
He's a Facebook mom, but
on LinkedIn.
The equivalent of a businessman on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Anyways, he lied on my name twice in his 2-sentence LinkedIn post about me.
Yeah.
First one was that he said I graduated summa cum laude.
Which, thank you. I'll take it.
Which I didn't, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
And then he also lied on my name by saying I had a full-time job.
Yeah. Which... You work a lot.
Yeah, I basically work
You're
full-time.
just not in a full-time position there.
Exactly.
So I understand the distinction, but it's just funny. You do work a lot. So
I basically work full-time. I just don't have the title of full-time.
Yeah.
But I literally read that. I was like, well, first of all, I'm not a full-time worker, and second of all, I did not graduate summa cum laude. So.
He's like, what? You didn't? Oh,
maybe I'll delete my post then.
Yeah.
It's that's nothing to brag about.
He's like, do you want me to delete it?
He literally said that.
Yeah, I know.
He was like, I could just delete the post. I was like, no, it's okay. You can leave it up.
Hilarious, bruh.
But yeah, that was really funny. And we got our grad photos back that we were talking about last time.
Also, just a quick moment. If you're watching on YouTube, you can see Freya's little head going back and forth following the, what are these called? Pom-poms.
Yeah.
We both have pom-poms.
Yee!
In case you can't hear them.
These, were from graduation.
Yes. Took
them
home.
Our friends stole them off the tables.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we talk about graduation?
Yeah. This is literally just silly for us. Like, there's really not.
There was a lot of fun moments.
Okay, you started off then. I can only think of like a couple big things.
Oh, I guess there's only a couple. I don't know.
There's so many ops. Like the biology department isn't that big to
it's
begin
big,
with.
but it's not like that big.
Yeah, there's so many ops.
Yeah.
But we literally got placed, or no, we got to like choose where we wanted to stand in line.
Mm-hmm.
And so we got to stand together. But we didn't know we'd be sandwiched in between the biggest ops of all time.
So, I don't even know how to, like, preface this.
I know.
So, everyone in the TCNJ biology department is the worst, except for us.
Yeah.
No, there's a few other ones. But
unfortunately, we weren't near them.
No. So, literally, we, like, show up, and you have to, like, organize yourself by, like, major. And we show up, and we immediately see this one girl that already graduated that we were not expecting to see.
Yeah.
And we're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Along with her and her posse.
Mm-hmm.
Who, like, was okay to see.
Yeah.
It was just like, holy shit. Like, we just got here.
Like, I wasn't expecting to see her because, she graduated.
Yeah. She was
I don't know what she's doing here. She's fully somewhere else now.
Oh, yeah. Fully.
So that's great.
And then we're just, like, making small talk with these, like, people we don't want to talk to.
Mm-hmm.
Or at least, speaking for myself, I don't want to talk to.
Yeah. And
then we're, like, lining up. Oh, my God. And someone else catches us while we're trying to find our name cards.
Yes.
That
someone who's
bad.
Especially an op.
Yeah, that one wasn't bad. He was just like, hi guys, hi. No,
don't piss me off.
I know. He's not watching this, right? He wouldn't.
No, he wouldn't. He doesn't care.
He doesn't care, but I'm like worried.
I could throw some sneak disses, but I won't.
Do it.
He wouldn't even do this if we were closer.
Yeah.
So
it was just like weird vibes.
Yeah.
But it was like nice to see him.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't like a bad interaction.
Yeah, but
it was just like silly.
Silly.
So we had that, and then we like go over to like line up, and there's just so many. I think you need to tell like the bar story to preface
yeah,
this.
I can't remember if I told that or not. I don't think I did. Bruh. So this was like from a couple weeks ago. I was at the bar and I was with friends, and well, I think we did talk about how I ran into people from biology who acted like they had never met me before when we fully had classes with them. But I don't remember if I told the like tapping thing. Yeah, so these two guys, like, who, first of all, at that point, I had just had a class with both of them the semester before. Not this semester, but...
Two different classes
with both of them. I know both of them by name.
First and last. They have some fun names, too.
They do.
Should we call them out?
No. No, but they have some fun names. I know them by name because our classes are 20 people each.
Yeah.
We should know each other by now.
Yeah.
Right? Like, brother. And I've had multiple classes with the one.
Yes.
The other one, just the one. But he fully presented his project to just me, pretty much.
Oh my god, that was awful.
Don't even piss me off.
Yeah.
But, yeah, so I'm, like, fully at the bar, and I'm with my friends, and I just, like, turned around, minding my own business, and I made eye contact with one of them.
Ugh.
And so I can't, I'm, like, trying to remember if they waved initially or, like, what the deal was. I'm getting things mixed up because it happened twice.
Yeah. It was awful when it happened once, but then it happened again.
I think one of them came up to me the first time. I can't remember the first interaction. I can only remember the tapping.
Yeah.
The first interaction, I was a little tipsy. And I was more okay with it because they actually said hello. They were, like, chatting with me. I was just like, okay, this is, like, ridiculous, but whatever.
Right.
They act like they didn't know my name. And then they were like, wait, what are you doing after grad? Don't ask me that. Don't. Fuck off.
Fuck off, actually.
Fuck off. And yeah, and the one actually ended up flexing on me in that conversation.
He kind of ate you up.
I know. That he, like, got a job at a company and was like, yeah, and I've never even had, like, internship or research experience. I was like, okay.
Fuck off.
Okay, that makes me feel really good.
Yeah.
So that, like, pissed me off, and I was just done with the conversation. I'm done with the conversation. Sit back down.
I'm
Okay.
sad. Done with
Exactly.
the conversation.
I'm done with the conversation now. But so then a couple weeks later, I was not drinking.
Mm-hmm.
So I honestly wish I had been for this interaction
Yeah.
because it was so painful. I made eye contact with both of them again.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the one like insinuated, he's like, okay, I'm gonna head over here, like, but I'm gonna keep you chatting with my boy, and I was like, brother, what? So like, I don't know, it was just weird. But yeah, so I saw them from across the bar, and I like waved at them, like I just did like a little like, hey,
Yeah.
and then I turned my ass back around, and then I feel a little tap on my shoulder.
Ugh.
So I like turn back around, I'm like, hey,
Ugh.
I just saw you guys. I just said hello. Why are we tapping on my shoulder? And then they were just like really awkward.
Yeah.
And they were just like, hey. Hey.
We also just like have funny lore with them. They're like
Yeah.
celebs in our minds.
Yeah, the
Because
one for sure.
The
Baby.
Can I tell that?
No.
Please?
No.
Why? We're never gonna see him again.
He just don't say his name, but just
No,
say he
no,
looks
I'm
like
not
a
gonna-
Okay, yeah, you can say that. You
He
can
just,
say he
like-
looks like a baby.
Ooh, something just happened.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
He just like gives baby vibes like to the max. Like he looks like a big baby. Like there's the proportions of a baby.
And I did tell him this when I was in that first tipsy conversation. I'm like, you know what? Has anybody told you look like a baby?
Yeah, like it's like everything. Like the way he dresses. Like no offense. Like there's nothing wrong with it. It's just like silly.
Yeah,
like,
I can't put my finger on what it is.
It's like
just,
the baggy
yeah.
shorts and like the Crocs with no socks.
Yeah,
like the camel
yeah.
Crocs with no socks.
Yeah, he looks
And-
like a toddler.
Yes, he looks
Yes,
like a toddler. Like
yeah.
a toddler, like learning how to walk.
Yeah.
Like, and it's like his proportions too. Like you know how babies have like big bellies. Like not because they're fat, just because they're like. They just like have big bellies. Like that's just what they
Yeah,
look like.
yeah.
So he like has a big belly like that, and like you know how babies like they lift their arms up and their arms like they just go around their heads. I feel like if he did that,
Yeah.
his arms would just like touch at the top.
He
of his
just
head.
gives baby.
He just looks like a baby.
Yeah. For sure.
And then the other one has like a funny last name.
Mm-hmm.
And the craziest butt chin of all time.
Yeah, it's like a really crazy butt chin.
And we love butt chins here.
No,
Don't
we
get us wrong.
do. Sophia is a butt chin.
I have a butt chin.
Yeah.
I'm a butt chin.
Is a butt
haver.
chin.
Sophia is a butt chin.
Yeah. No, you support butt chins. I support butt chins.
Mm-hmm.
We have to say that.
Yes, absolutely.
But he has the craziest, like it's like the craziest butt chin I think I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's definitely like got a crack. Sorry.
You should put a diaper on that
Was
thing.
that explicit?
That was a little explicit,
Sorry.
but I'll let it slide because you have a butt chin.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, this isn't derogatory towards butt chins.
Exactly. But no, it's intense.
Mm-hmm.
And he has a fun last name, and he has a nickname because of that last name.
Yeah.
And I also called him that nickname, and he
To
was
his face.
To his face. I was feeling bold. He was gagged though. He was like, "Oh my god, you know me like that?"
Like we don't even know him like that. We made that up.
I know, but he in that moment probably thought I was the love of his life.
You know, I know.
Because he was like, "Wait, you know me by that name?"
Also, it's not like
call
sexy.
me by your name, and I'll call you by mine.
Also, it's
Yeah.
like not sexy. Like
No,
it's silly.
It's silly.
Yeah.
It's not sexy
Oh my god.
in the slightest.
No, not even a little bit.
But yeah, so with all of that in mind,
Mm-hmm.
the taps and the chat and
Yeah.
I don't know what their game plan was.
He was in love. He was in love.
Yeah, both of them though individually because
Oh my
both-
god, giving challengers to the max.
oh my god, I know they probably
should've started manipulating
Oh my
them.
god, if I had manipulated them, they wouldn't have been able to handle it.
No.
They would have just been like,
They would have been fighting. No, I know.
Yeah, no,
And
they're
they're-
also dorky as fuck too.
Yeah, so we know them separately.
Yes.
Like we don't know them personally, but we know them as they are separately. But it turns out they're brothers.
in
their
a
frat.
fraternity. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Not like real brothers. Sorry,
But they're yeah, I know,
don't
that
know
would
why
be
I
crazy.
said that.
No, they're like they're definitely like cool, but
yeah,
they're just like dorky guys though. That like want to seem like they're cooler than they are.
the baby is dorky. Or you think?
I don't know, they're both
Yeah,
giving
they're
like
definitely dorky.
they're both giving cool biology students, which
Yeah.
is in the grand scheme of things dorky.
Yeah,
So,
I know what you mean.
you know.
So we're lining up for graduation.
Yeah, and these
And
fuckers.
we're like near the end of the line of the bio line, and we end up right next to them both.
Both of them. And we're sandwiched in between
Oh my god.
our ex-friend, pretty much.
Yeah.
He's like fine, like we're fine, but
He's-
we used to like be cooler with him and we're not
He's
anymore.
just not nice,
We don't really like him.
and he's conservative to the max.
Yeah, he's not a very nice guy.
No, not nice at all.
He's a little misogynistic and makes
Definitely.
women feel bad about just not, because he's also very, very bright, to be fair. I think he's been smart. And now he's at a level playing field with everybody. But I'm just saying, like, when we came into college and met him, we were like, damn, bro. Like, at least I was. Maybe I should speak more for myself. But
he's smart, but I'm not, like, blown away by his intelligence.
But he also makes people feel bad.
Yes.
Which makes him...
It's, like, the confidence.
It feels like... Yeah, he's confident, for sure. Yeah. And it makes it feel like we're his... what's the word I'm looking for? Inferior? Like, we're inferior to him.
Yeah.
And, like... So for that fact, I don't know, and the misogyny layered on there.
Yeah, and like...
And the conservative nature.
Oh, very conservative. Ugh, and it was also, I feel like, I mean, like, for me, also, when we were, like, kind of friends with him, it, like, we were very much, like, not friends with him. Like, in his mind. Like, we were classmates.
We were classmates.
Which was, like, not nice.
Yeah.
Which is, like, fine. Don't get me wrong. Like... I wasn't, like, hurt that he didn't want to be my friend. It was just, like, that's just, like, not nice.
But, like, I was friends with him until I wasn't...
Until you were friends with me. Because he literally until
I wasn't like a mate to him, or like a potential partner.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
like a romantic interest.
He was like, wait, no, I'm not interested in this.
He also very much so thought I was like the biggest loser of all time.
But he's a loser.
No, I know, but you know what I'm saying.
I know.
He thought I was like really lame, which is fine. I am, but like,
for the record, Sophie is not lame. He just thinks he's the shit.
You'll see how lame I am when we get to my new hobby later.
Shit. You know what?
What?
Having a hobby is having a hobby.
I agree.
I don't care.
No,
if it makes somebody happy, then it makes you happy.
No, like, I totally agree.
And I don't know. Just, women have hobbies.
Well, women can't have hobbies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we were... So it was him.
Yes.
And his buddy.
Who... Should I just say it?
Is sexy.
The sexiest man in the TCNJ.
Yeah, you're allowed to say that. He's sexy.
Like, actually, like, the sexiest man at TCNJ. Might be in the top 5 sexiest men I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm obsessed with him.
Okay, I mean, I think he's definitely good looking, but especially because, as we were saying before, you can be cool for the biology department, but at the end of the day, you're still a dork.
Yeah.
He's not even giving dork. He's just, like, cool.
But he's also smart.
But he's also smart, and that's the problem.
It's not even just like how he looks. Like he's
cool.
He's good looking, but it's like the way he carries himself, like his vibe, like
no, he's cool.
The way he walks, the way he dresses, the way he speaks,
and he's smart on top of that. So he's
I had a WGS class with him, so that means he's like a little bit of a feminist at least,
like a smidgen.
Yeah, right? Like something, which is more than most men can say.
Right.
Anyways, I'm obsessed with him. He's short, but I'm obsessed with him, and he has a girlfriend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyways, him.
So the two of them together. And they said hi to us.
They did.
Like, even I expected the ex. He always says hi, the ex-friend.
Yeah, he's polite.
He's very much like, hey. And then the other guy usually won't say hi to me.
No, not to me. No. Oh my god.
But then because the other guy did, he was like, hey.
Yeah.
I knew Sophia was like feeling a little gagged.
It's like, let me just take my hat off. I know I look stupid.
Yeah. Like, mind you, we're getting like misted on because the weather's like a little funky. But yeah, so we're sandwiched between these 4 men.
Yeah, and at this point, go ahead.
And there was a 5th one.
Who?
But you didn't know who he was.
Oh my god! So should I just...
You say it as much as you want to say because it's your lore mostly.
Oh my god! So it was this man that I had matched with on Tinder, like
months ago.
Like this was not this past semester, the semester before. So like months and months and months ago, and he was like, I can't like. I don't know how specific I should get.
No, I know.
But like I also like he's a biology major.
But obviously, we've never seen him.
I have never seen him. I have never had a class with him. And I'm pretty good about like knowing people's faces and people's names. Like
especially in our department, it's small.
Yeah. Bob.
Stop.
She's scratching the couch. And
I can't reach her.
Stop. She's still going.
Stop it.
She listens.
That was like disrespectful though. She was like
but I have like never seen him before.
Nope. Never seen him in the building. Never had any class with him.
Never even like heard of his name. Like never seen him tagged in anyone else's pictures. Like nothing like that. And so we were taking this class where like you needed to take pictures of wildlife, and he was a wildlife photographer. So I matched with him on Tinder, and then he was like sending me pictures to submit for class. Which, where did my tassel go? Like literally where I
see it in the back there, yeah.
I'm wearing having my tassel as a tail.
Literally, yeah.
So he was like sending me these pictures, like for my class, and then like it just like stopped. But it was just like I had no idea that it was him, and it was just that was the first time I've ever seen him.
Yeah.
So there was that.
So we're sandwiched in between these 5 men.
Yeah, and at this point, me and Eva are like, which one sits next to which group?
And I was like, this is an easy answer. You take the pointers. I'll take the sexy.
I couldn't handle sitting next to the sexy man.
You've been sweating.
I was already sweating, and I couldn't sweat.
I can't believe I sat next to the sexiest man at TCN.
You actually did.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Have you ever spoken to him? Like, how many conversations do you think you've had with him?
We actually had a very insightful conversation 2 years ago about Batman.
Oh my god!
Remember we were in like a study room and he had just seen it and I had just seen it and we were
talking
about it.
I was also in that study room.
Yeah.
I probably didn't say a single word.
No, probably not. But I fully talked to him about it and we were chatting. So yeah.
Yeah, when I had my class with him, we were speaking about like future careers. Me and him. So
that's kind of beautiful.
I've also spoken with the sexiest man at CCNJ.
Yeah.
Anyways, so you took the sexy.
I took the sexy. Sophia took the baby.
The baby.
And
I actually wasn't sat next to the baby though.
You were sat next to the other one. See, I'm glad I sat. Yeah, that. Ugh. But I literally was like, okay, you have to sit over there because I can't do that. I can't do it again.
Yeah.
See, and they acted like they'd never met me.
Exactly. That's so fucking weird.
And I literally knew that was going to be the case.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, fuck off. And like, I'm not going to say like that I went up and was like, hey guys, like, because I'm not like that. But like, they're the ones who approached me.
Yeah. And
tapped on my goddamn shoulder.
Don't you
at
dare.
A bar.
Yeah, don't you dare. Don't do that.
Like, don't piss me off. And then the one, okay. So, because after he was flexing on me, the baby, that he got this job, then I was like, okay, maybe I should network.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, what company? Oh my god. He was like, oh, it's local. I'm like, oh my god. So then he was like, here, like, give me your phone number. I'll send you the name of the company. He sent me the name of the company, never responded.
You never responded.
I never responded, yeah.
Bro.
And then he tried to add me on Snapchat, like, the next day, and I never added him. Because of course not.
No, why would you?
But I was like, okay, so you can add me on Snapchat, but you can't say hi at graduation.
Bro.
That's hilarious.
Bro.
Hilarious.
Just
little stuff like that. Like
the baby.
The dichotomy of the biology.
He's a baby.
He is a baby.
He is a baby.
The dichotomy of the biology department drives me nuts.
I know.
When people need you, they'll chat with you.
Yeah.
When they don't need you, you're chopped liver.
You're dead to them.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Girl, I know.
1 minute you could be friends with somebody, and then the next they literally will walk past you in the hallway, not even like look
You
up.
think you know somebody, really?
You think you know somebody.
I know. You really do.
It's crazy.
So yeah, that was our seating arrangements at graduation.
Yeah. It was exciting for us.
It was really exciting.
Yeah. So our names were said back to back with
Yes!
Yeah.
We walked across the stage right after each other.
Mm-hmm.
We got to stand up at the same times, like right next to each other when...
After I was walking, I was like, oh my god, I should be clapping for Sophia, but my head's just like blank. Because you went right after.
Yeah, I know.
So I like wasn't even...
I didn't clap for
you. I was like, oh my god.
Oh, I probably did, like right when she said your name.
I was like, oh, I was like walking, I'm like,
no,
I just missed your name completely.
No, it's okay. But there's a recording, so we can go back and watch.
Yes. True.
Yeah. Really, really fun.
Yeah, it
really
was
exciting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It was like just like a good day. Everybody was like in a good mood.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody was like so excited for us.
Yes.
Our families were there.
Yes.
My grandma came to town.
Hell yes.
Everyone was here.
It was a nice time.
So it was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
But since we're now college graduates,
yeah,
we think that we need to put our biology degrees to the test. What do you think?
I agree. I'm scared.
Okay. So we have...
Especially as people who plan to continue their education in biology.
Yeah.
You know.
So we have prepared.
Mm-hmm.
We looked up 2 biology quizzes.
Mm-hmm.
They're multiple choice. Both of them are like 10, 11, 12 questions.
4 answer choices?
I believe so.
All right.
So we have some quizzes here, and we're going to test our knowledge and see what we can get.
I would put my thinking cap on, but I already have my grad cap on.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Thinking cap, aka grad cap. Can you like chat about something while I figure out how to record my screen?
Oh, yes. Well, since we're on the topic, this is like not on topic, but since we were just chatting about jokes, Sophia and I just watched The Idea of You as well.
Oh, yes.
I only bring that up because we made so many One Direction puns throughout.
We were having so much fun.
Yeah, like... I'm shocked we didn't think of Rock Me at all. What are we doing?
I don't know. Didn't think.
But we were just using like One Direction and Harry Styles songs to make jokes about while we were watching the movie, just so it was tolerable enough to get through.
Yeah, it was like good. Well, we can talk more about it later.
Yeah.
But literally the whole time we were like, it was just too good. Like anytime, I can't even like think of a specific one that we were using.
Yeah, like their relationship like is getting a little rocky. It could go one way or another.
Yeah, exactly.
Or like, man, she's telling you about her college days. That's the story of her life. Like, stupid shit like that.
My tassel keeps becoming a tail.
Shit. Yeah, so we I don't know, we were just making each other laugh. Like, couldn't hear the dialogue throughout half of it, but we were laughing, so.
We were watching with Olivia, too, so she was in on that.
Yes.
But then it, like, transitioned into, like, Harry Styles lyrics, too.
I was cheating the whole time, too.
Yeah, she fully had, like, Spotify up, and me and Olivia were, like, racking our brains.
Okay, well, to be fair, I was not a One Directioner as much as you were.
The masses.
You know, I don't know about Olivia.
How the fuck do I share my screen? How do I do this?
You go down to that arrow.
I got it.
Yeah. But yeah, I needed some help because like I definitely like some One Direction songs, but I don't know a lot of the older stuff. Like I don't even know how they go, so I couldn't even think of like lyrics. I can only think of the names and I fucked up one of them too. I thought it was Best Day Ever.
Oh my god, that was so funny. We were like, brother, what? Like literally, brother, what?
That's my bad.
That was so funny.
I fumbled a little bit, but
yeah, just a little bit. Sorry,
Best
I'm like
day ever.
working really hard over here.
That's okay.
To make sure that I have enough space on my computer.
Single mom who works too.
Exactly. That's what I'm getting right now.
For real.
Okay, now how do I record? I don't know how Zoom works.
Oh my god, you don't know how Zoom works? Our entire first year of TCNJ was on Zoom.
I wasn't leading Zoom meetings though. Okay, so I should record first.
Run that shit.
Okay, I'm recording.
Yeah, so that's another thing. Sophia and I might be lacking... Well, let me speak for myself. I might be lacking some fundamental biology as it was all online and I did not have to care.
Mm-hmm. See, I think I have more foundational knowledge than
yes,
you do.
She does. I'm going to be lacking in those departments.
That's okay, though. Because we can carry each other in different ways. Okay, here you go.
Okay. I'm taking the reins.
Handing the baton over to Eva.
All right.
So the first one is called...
The first one is called Basic Biology Quiz. So it better fucking be basic.
Our BA and BS in biology should be able to carry us through this question.
I would really hope so.
Okay, I can't see the answers, so you're gonna have to read them to me.
I will, and I'm glad I'm looking at them because you're. I accidentally scrolled down to the first answer. But
did you see the answer?
I did, but it's okay.
Wait, how?
Because you have to scroll down to see them.
Wait,
why did it do that?
Wait, hit start? Is there a start button at the top?
Oh, there's a start button.
We didn't test this before we started.
Okay, well we're getting into it now. I see the issue I know the answer to the first one.
Let me answer the first one.
That's okay. You'll get it.
Okay.
What do we call the most basic structural unit of living things? DNA. Huh?
What are the options?
DNA, skin, cell, life.
I'm buzzing in cell.
Ding ding ding.
Ding ding ding.
Okay. So I submit that answer. I know that's correct though.
Okay.
Yippee! Heard. Oh yeah, we get a answer right after. We get the answer and explanation right after. Oh.
What happened?
Oh, nothing. It's okay.
Oh.
And it gives you like a long answer.
Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh shit.
Hold on.
Okay, this one's pissing me off. See, these are like too easy right now. Like they better get hard.
Okay.
Okay, this one says, what is genetics? Okay.
What are my options?
Study of microorganisms, study of genes and heredity, study of sexual reproduction, study of environmental influences on organisms.
I'm locking in B.
Yes.
Study of genes and heredity. Is that what it is? Heredity?
Heredity.
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, I missed an E in there.
That's okay.
Yippee!
Yay!
As expected.
Okay, we're kind of slaying so far.
Don't jinx us.
I'm scared.
In order to identify the probability of inheritance, we can use a...
Go on.
Paper?
Paper?
Computer? Calculator? Punnett square.
I mean, technically you can use all those things.
I'm like, wait a minute, what's the catch here?
But I am going to lock in Punnett square.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. No, that's what I was going to say. Okay. But like, yeah, that's what I would have did. But what are we talking about? Like, paper? We can use a paper.
You look so funny with your...
I'm locked in.
Just like the computer and then your head.
With my phone too. Yeah. I'm looking good.
Really good.
Okay. Where is DNA found inside a cell? Cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, none of the above.
Do you know the answer? I know the answer. It's okay. If you don't know the answer, you can tap me in.
Okay.
Let's hear your thinking. It's okay if you get it wrong. No one's judging you.
Well, I know deoxyribonucleic acid.
Okay.
But where is she? That's the age-old question, isn't it?
That is the age-old question. Where exactly is our DNA?
Probably the nucleus. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's correct?
That's what I think. That's what I would have did.
Yes.
Yay! I believe we're 3 for 3 right now. We might actually be 4 for 4.
4 for 4.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that is important because it uses CO2 to produce sugar for producers and O2 as waste. It uses O2 to produce sugar and CO2 as waste.
Oh, you're getting tricky.
It helps synthesize proteins. This is not important.
That's what the last question is.
That's the last answer is.
Okay, what are you thinking? You have any?
I think it uses CO2 to produce sugar. And and oxygen is waste.
Agreed.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yay!
5 for 5.
These are really basic questions.
Yeah. But I almost got that last one. I almost got that one, the DNA one.
No, that's okay.
I was thinking critically about it, though,
no, that's okay. Exactly. That's what our biology degrees are more about. Less about the biology knowledge and more about critical thinking.
For sure. Cellular respiration is important because...
This is not important.
Well, it uses CO2 and sugar to produce energy, in parentheses, ATP.
Oh.
It uses O2 and sugar to produce energy, ATP.
Oh, shit.
It is how living organisms breathe. And then the last answer is life. It is important because life.
I mean, yeah, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not C or D. Which one does it use?
I would assume that it uses... Oh, shit. Probably oxygen to produce
that's what
ATP.
I think so, too.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Oh, my God, you scared me.
Yippee! Yippee! Oh, my God. Getting nervous here.
Oh, my God.
We use blank in ecology.
Oh, shit!
To help model how energy is transferred from one organism to another.
A food web? Is that one of the answers?
We have food labels, food notes, food ladder, and food chain.
Okay, the food chain.
Yeah.
I like food ladder, though. I want to know what that is.
Very linear. Yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm scared.
What is an organism?
A living thing. Yeah, there you go.
A large group of molecules. An organ. An evolutionary unit.
Yeah, all those could be true.
I'm thinking a living thing.
I'm agreeing.
Yeah. It's feeling ridiculous. Nice.
Yay!
Man, we're doing really well.
We are doing really well, actually.
This next one's gonna be harder though. The honors biology exam.
Oh yeah, this is the warm up.
This is a warm up, exactly. Getting our brains moving and grooving.
Getting back into the school vibe because we're not students anymore.
We've been off for so long.
I know.
So long.
It's been 6 days.
It's exited my brain. So
yeah, no, I agree for sure.
All right, meiosis is a process that helps make blank and blank.
Okay.
All right, we have brain cells and life.
Okay.
Body cells and life. Sex cells and genetic diversity, and none of these.
Huh.
Like, what's the catch? Because I'm thinking like sex cells, but genetic diversity.
I feel like it's body cells.
Oh shit. Because they're making the daughter cells.
Yeah.
It
makes gametes though? Because isn't meiosis how like we're made?
But doesn't life feel ridiculous as a second answer?
I don't know.
I don't know. But the fact that it's for A and B, it's life.
But it does create life.
No, yeah, but doesn't that just feel so silly?
Because
it creates. Well, I mean, yeah, it does.
So mitosis is like the duplication of cells. Meiosis is like sexual reproduction. So I think that's a trick question. I think it's tricking you. But it could be
getting me? Is it getting me?
I don't know. It's probably getting me. Because I think it creates all cells and not just the gametes.
Okay.
Because does mitosis happen in us?
Yes.
Where? And how?
I think all of our cells experience
then maybe
mitosis.
you're correct.
But I don't know at the end of the day.
I think you might be correct.
This is the shit that gets us.
I think you might be correct.
I don't think so. I don't know. I'm doubting myself.
I'm doubting myself too.
What if we do none of these?
If you're saying that...
I don't know. Okay, well, it's definitely not brain cells.
It definitely does create genetic diversity.
But that also could be coupled with life. You know what I mean? Like, that also could be...
Yeah.
Whatever.
I think you're right.
Because... I don't know, though. You think we should go... Which one do you think we should go with?
Or what was it?
Sex cells and genetic diversity.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. But if we're wrong, don't blame me.
Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
Yes! Let's go! That one was a little bit harder. I was getting nervous. Okay.
No, you knew that one. I was the one that was doubting you.
No. Okay, specialized cell division that occurs in the reproductive organs to produce sex cells.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. All right. Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Next.
What does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
I already did this one. Let's go. Give it to me. Let's go.
Hey.
All right, we have one question left.
Yay.
And it's a layup.
Okay.
Who was Charles Darwin?
The father of evolution.
Well, let me read the answers. The Prince of Wales.
Exactly. Yes.
The scientist who discovered the theory of evolution.
Okay.
Contributed to cell theory.
Mm-hmm.
And he was a scientist who discovered DNA.
Locking in B.
Yes. I'm kind of thinking he was the Prince of Wales.
The Prince of Wales.
I'm starting to think. All right.
We got 100%.
100%. Yippee.
Yeah.
It was looking a little shaky for a couple of those.
Yeah, I got scared just then.
I know. I was like, oh shit.
Okay, that was our warm up.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's move on to the honors biology quiz.
Oh.
You're shaking in your boots over there.
Shaking in my boots.
Shaking in my boots.
All right. Time to start the honors biology exam.
Yeah.
All right. Which of the following is not an end product of photosynthesis?
Uh-huh.
Oxygen, water, starch, glucose.
Is it starch?
I'm feeling starch.
Yeah, that feels like really obvious though. I don't know why. Wait, let me rethink my answer. Wait, can we restart?
We can cut it. We can cut it, right? Can we cut that out?
Okay, just to be clear, neither of us care about photosynthesis.
Oh. I'm okay with her.
No, I mean, like, we don't want to do anything like that.
Yeah, none of us will be... neither of us will be working in photosynthesis.
No, I don't want to flirt with plants.
Shit.
Wait, so what's the answer?
Water.
I don't think that's true. Can we get a fact check on that?
It says water is utilized as a reactant, not produced.
Oh, it's at the beginning.
I guess that makes sense.
Okay, fine.
I didn't... What do you mean starch? Starch
That's
who?
Disrespectful.
Piss me off.
Starch who? Who's that? Wow, that was really rude. Okay,
apparently
anyways.
79% of people who took that quiz got that correct.
See, I literally knew starch was feeling too obvious.
Damn.
That's okay. Keep going.
Bothered. Which of the following is not a factor that affects photosynthesis?
Didn't we just answer this question?
No, apparently.
Okay.
Light, carbon dioxide concentration, soil fertility, and temperature. So which of the following is not a factor that affects photosynthesis?
It has to be carbon dioxide concentration because that's one of the reactants.
Yeah, if that's what they're going with. If that's the angle that they're playing.
That's the question.
No, I know, but the reactant conversation.
Wait, what?
With how they were just saying, like, water is not...
yeah. It's like at the beginning of the equation, not the end of the equation.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we can eliminate that one. Soil fertility feels also correct.
Yeah, I forgot that it's asking which is not a factor.
Yes.
That affects. Oh, well then it's light. Wait, I'm getting confused.
I think it might be temperature.
Yeah, sorry. I was again thinking what does affect photosynthesis.
Okay, heard.
Light.
Yeah.
Yes, then it's temperature. Sorry, I got really lost.
Is it temperature?
Huh?
Is it temperature?
I didn't submit it yet. I'll do it.
Is it light?
Soil fertility. And I was thinking that, but I get so tripped up by these. Which one is not?
Yeah.
Because then I'm like, okay, well, light affects it.
Oh my god, wow, we're flopping.
Can we move away from photosynthesis, please?
Yeah, give me some ecology questions.
Oh shit, this one has 5 answers.
Oh my god.
It is thought that the path to the development of living things began when ... lightning struck the earth. The earth was showered with various useful molecules.
Oh.
Molecules of non-living matter reacted chemically. The Big Bang occurred, and molecules of living matter reacted physically.
Okay, so I get really confused by the Big Bang.
Yeah.
What
that
is
was
that?
definitely in black and white.
It definitely was, for sure. Were the dinosaurs there? That's not what got rid of the dinosaurs.
No, the Big Bang was first.
Okay, so I think it's the Big Bang.
Yeah, I think so too.
So what got rid of the dinosaurs? Not the Big Bang.
No, what happened to the dinosaurs, there isn't a clear answer. But the biggest theory is either a meteorite or a volcano or some kind of like...
There's no name for that?
Wait, what?
There's no name for that? Like the Big Bang, how that's like a name?
No, I think the Big Bang is more atmospheric, I think.
Okay, heard. So then I think it's the Big Bang.
I agree.
Is it not the Big Bang?
Oh my god.
Okay, to be fair, I really don't know what the Big Bang is. I thought that's what...
We don't learn that in biology.
I thought that's what extincted the dinosaurs. So...
Shit. Yeah, no. Apparently it was molecules of non-living matter reacting chemically.
Okay, whatever.
Moving on. We didn't learn that.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Wow, we're 0 for 3. We're back to photosynthesis, bro. I'm about to lose it. Photosynthesis in what organisms originally formed the oxygen that became the ozone in Earth's atmosphere?
I don't fucking know.
Wait. No, actually, I don't know this.
What are the answers? Is cyanobacteria in there?
Yes. That might be
cyanobacteria.
Yeah. I'll read the options.
Okay.
So. Arthropods.
No. Like spiders? Arachnids.
Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Arthropods, yeah, they're,
I don't know.
I get confused.
That's okay, moving on.
But the spiders are arachnids, and then I think arthropods is just like a larger group of it could be insects and I think animals too.
Okay, heard.
I'm avoiding saying this word because I don't know how to say it. Mycorrhizae?
I don't know.
Mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae.
I've never seen that word in my whole life.
Yeah.
So.
And then archaeobacteria.
Cyanobacteria is on there too?
And cyanobacteria.
I would say cyanobacteria just because I remember when I took AP Bio, my professor was like, if you don't know the answer and cyanobacteria is in there, then cyanobacteria is the answer.
I agree. Just for that logic.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yes! AP Bio. Woo! Oh, I just ripped my thing.
The whole thing?
No, just one.
Oh,
fell off.
Okay.
Shout out Miss Schultz.
I didn't know your teacher's name was so...
Schultz.
Wow.
It was with a T, though.
Yeah. Oh, this one's a long one. I think we're going to know it.
Okay.
I just
you feel it
answers.
in your bones.
Yeah. Today, whales still have small hind limb structures, which are now barely there, but were once used as back legs on land. It's evidence of an evolutionary past. This is an example of a...
vestigial organ.
Yeah. That's the first answer. Vestigial structure, homologous structure, analogous structure, and evolutionary fission.
I think it's a vestigial.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I would have did.
That's what I would have did for sure.
And that's correct.
Yeah.
See, this is what we learned, guys.
Yeah. See, this is my forte. This is where you get me good.
For sure.
Give me an ecology question, I'm in. An ecology and evolution
no.
question.
This one has more than one right answer.
Oh, okay.
I didn't expect that in this.
Okay. Does it tell you how many right answers are?
No.
Okay, heard.
What is... Oh my god.
It's okay, it's okay.
I hate this. What is a binomial nomenclature?
Okay. We know this.
We do know this.
Yeah, we do.
But I hate this.
I know. It's okay.
It's stupid. Okay. 2-word system for naming organisms.
Yes.
Check that. Check it. Scientific name.
Yes. Check it.
Check. Carl Linnaeus.
Who's Carl? Oh, yes.
Linnaeus' idea. Oh, fuck. Was it his idea, though?
I don't know. Why am I, giving credit to, Shakespeare right now in my mind? Did you know that Shakespeare created the word eyeball? That's, one of my favorite fun facts of all time. Salt on my eyeball. That's, one of my favorite fun facts of all time.
Oh, that is fun.
Isn't that a fun fact?
Yeah.
Also, history trivia incoming. When was Shakespeare alive?
In the, either 14 or 1500s.
Mm-hmm.
I'm feeling more 1500s.
Okay.
Because it was kind of near Renaissance, yeah?
Shakespeare was born in the 1500s, died in the 1600s. Yesterday, Olivia asked me that question. I said 1800s.
Damn.
Am I okay?
No, it's okay.
But isn't it so fun that Shakespeare created the word eyeball? Before Shakespeare, the word eyeball did not exist.
What were they calling it?
I don't know. That thing in my eye.
That thing in my head.
Yeah, exactly.
That helps me see. They talk like that, you know.
They
talk like old New Yorkers.
New Yorkers.
That thing in my head that helps me see.
Isn't that such a fun fact? I love that fact.
Yeah, that's fun. I like
Anyways,
that.
sorry. Go on.
The last option, I didn't click off the Carl Linnaeus one, has more than 3 words describing an organism.
No.
That feels wrong.
I don't think Linnaeus came up with it either. It's possible, but I don't think so.
It's a possibility, but I feel like we would have learned that in Herp.
Yeah.
He talked about this shit a lot.
I don't know who did, though. Who came up with binomial nomenclature?
I would just select the 2.
I think we should select the 2.
We're already, like, losing.
We're flopping.
We have nothing to lose here. Ugh, it was Carl Linnaeus' idea.
Damn it. It's okay.
That's so annoying, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Which role is not performed by bacteria in the nitrogen cycle?
Fuck off.
The nitrogen cycle.
Remember when we took our ecology final and he like told us we had to know the nitrogen cycle as we all memorized how to draw it?
Oh my god.
And then it wasn't even on there. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do.
That was really awful.
Yeah, why did he do that?
I don't know. It was really annoying. Yeah, he did. Or maybe it's the carbon cycle, not the nitrogen cycle.
I think it was the carbon cycle.
Pissing me off.
Yeah. Okay. Fixing nitrogen.
Mm-hmm.
Changing urea to ammonia.
Wait, is it asking which one is not correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Which role is not performed by bacteria?
Got it.
Fucking hate these. Changing urea to ammonia. That's the one I just said.
Uh-huh.
Turning nitrates into nitrogen gas.
Uh-huh.
And changing nitrates to ammonia.
Wait, well, so were the last 2 the same except for turning into something else? Were they both turning nitrates into something?
Yes.
Okay, so it has to be one of those.
Shit. Well, one it says turning, one says changing. I don't know. I don't know what that really means.
I think it definitely turns to nitrogen gas. So I'm going to eliminate that one.
Okay.
What were the first 2?
Fixing nitrogen.
That could also be correct.
And changing urea to ammonia.
I think that one might be incorrect. I don't know why urea is just like throwing me off.
Yeah, I don't remember that in...
Yeah, I don't remember that.
I don't remember that, but it's very fair that it
I don't know what you mean by that, babes.
Don't know her.
Yeah, that's like what I would put, but it's probably not correct.
Which one?
I would put the urea one.
Yeah. I forgot that we're doing a not question. I was like, I thought we just said that one, yeah. So should we go with that one?
That's what I would select, but I don't know anything about the nitrogen cycle.
I don't remember the nitrogen cycle, and nitrogen, ammonia, all of that feels right. Urea feels a little foreign. But I should... Okay, that's correct.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, I'm glad. I was gonna say, I'm talking all this shit, like, I don't remember urea being a part of that, and then you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Whew, this is a long one. Well, it's a lot of possible answers.
Mm-hmm.
Which of the following are true characteristics of domain eukarya?
Okay.
First one, highly organized cell interior. That's feeling,
Hold
yeah.
on. Yeah, that's feeling... Wait, so the question is... What's the question? Which
of the following are true?
Oh, so there could be multiple answers.
There's multiple answers.
Okay, I would select that one.
Yeah. Multicellularity.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's no unicellular eukaryotes.
Yes. Yes. Asexual reproduction. No. Cell walls made of cellulose.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
We don't have cell walls.
Very good point. Only monostrophic.
Never heard that word in my life, so.
Yeah, I don't... Can I look up what that word means?
Yeah, Google.
I can...
Google, please.
Let's see. It says, consisting of repetitions of the same strophic arrangement.
Okay.
Can we define strophic?
I think we're cheating.
No. It's going to be like, as seen in eukarya.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, well, I can't look up strophic.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
I don't know what that means. Sexual reproduction?
Yes, for sure.
Cell walls made of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan? I've never heard of that.
Don't select that, but that's making me feel like cell wall with cellulose is correct.
Shit. Okay, well, that would be a substance forming the cell walls of many bacteria.
You just cheated.
No, because we've never heard that word.
I think cell wall with cellulose is correct.
Of cellulose, yeah. And then cell walls made of chitin. No.
Chitin.
That's you say that?
Yeah.
Wait, I've heard chitin, though.
I'm pretty sure it's chitin. That's, like, what, like,
Whoa.
how, like, insects have, like, a shell.
Whoa, I've, like, read that in regards to insects, but I've never heard it out loud, maybe.
It could be that one, too. I would select that, too, if we're selecting cellulose.
I don't think they're...
That's eukaryote. What's a domain here, eukaryote? Dumb question alert.
No, I don't think that's dumb. I don't know.
Okay, good.
I just think... Oh, I guess they are.
Insects or eukaryotes?
Then that might be it. I thought, yeah. I guess I've never thought about them as eukaryotes, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Shit. Okay, well then the peptidoglycan
that's
is
definitely
not in there, because that's going to be eukaryote.
Yeah,
or not eukaryotes.
It's a prokaryote.
Prokaryotes. But what are we thinking for the monostrophic? Well, strophic, doesn't that refer to eating habits? Like trope.
I don't know.
No?
I would...
Ophic, doesn't that refer to, like, feeding?
I have no idea.
Like...
Wait, can you give me the definition of monostrophic again?
Yeah. It was giving nothing, though.
I know.
It said...
Repeated cellular organs? Or what was it?
Consisting of repetitions of the same strophic arrangement.
Okay. I would... If this were me just taking the test, I would not select that. But I can understand if you would want to select that.
Yeah, I don't understand her. I might look up strophic if that's okay.
It's like not, but
it's happening.
You're cheating big time.
It's not giving me anything, guys. It's saying it's a song structure. What are we talking about? I did biology. Give it to me. Yeah, it's literally not even coming up. I'm not going to select it then. Don't piss me off.
Okay, heard.
I don't understand what we're talking about.
That's okay. Yeah, so that's what I would put.
We missed one.
Which one?
Asexual reproduction.
Oh. Wait, what reproduces
who?
Asexually?
I would like to know who.
Plants.
Yeah, it's saying they reproduce both sexually and asexually.
Yeah, plants.
Motherfuckers. Damn it.
Guys, we're really dumb.
Guys,
this is not good.
Guys, you know what?
The way you said asexual reproduction, you're like, no. No, that's not it.
Okay, well, it's obvious we were forgetting about plants and bugs.
Yeah.
Well, you remembered bugs, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
mm-hmm. For sure.
So annoying.
Next.
So annoying.
What number are we on?
9.
I think we have 1 correct. 2 correct?
Oh. What? Chech? It must be, it's supposed to say check. Check what is true about... What? Euglena? What is it? A green single-celled freshwater organism with a flagellum?
Okay, flagellum.
Oh.
Don't look up the word flagellum.
Huh?
Oh, is that one of the answers?
The first one is have flagellum.
Okay, have flagellum, correct.
Okay, we know we got that one right.
Yeah.
But I've never even heard of that.
A flagellum?
No.
Oh.
Euglena?
I have no idea. For those who don't know, educating moment, a flagellum is... Would you like to tell them, or would you like me to tell them?
You got it.
A flagellum is like a tail. So like how a sperm has a flagellum.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the tail that makes them swim.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Second answer, can live without light. Has no chloroplast.
It definitely does.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Because it's green.
Oh, yes! Oh my god, yeah.
I don't know.
No thinking.
It's okay.
Photosynthetic and heterotrophic.
Feels right. So then I don't think it can live without light if it's heterotrophic.
Fair. And has a pellicle.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is, so I look it up. Cheating!
Cheating big time.
Possess or...
Go on.
It's just saying, like, is like an owner of. It's not giving me anything.
Oh.
Yeah, it just says to possess something.
This quiz is stupid as hell. I'm pissed.
Yeah, they wrote check wrong.
Chech.
What are we thinking? Have flagellum.
Definitely has a flagellum. I think we're pretty safe.
Photosynthetic and heterotrophic. Has no chloroplast. So that one we're not checking. It does.
It might not. I don't know. I'm open to whatever you think.
Dumb question.
That's okay. Oh my god.
I thought plants only had...
It's chlorophyll. That's green. Is it not a plant?
No, I think they said it's a... Well, Can plants have flagellums? No, I think they made it sound like it's a little freshwater thing.
Like it's just a little guy.
Yeah.
Bacteria?
I thought only plants had chloroplast.
Sure. I don't know anything about plants.
Guys, I don't know.
I don't know anything about plants.
So it has no chloroplast.
Okay,
that's
so it's
true.
like that.
Okay. Can live without light.
Does it photosynthesize?
So it's between those two, I guess. But if it's in the water, I'm sure that it's
I feel like it photosynthesizes.
And then what are we thinking about has a pellicle?
I don't give a fuck about that answer. You can put whatever you want.
We'll go for the 3. Have flagellum, photosynthetic, no chloroplast.
Uh-huh. Oh no. Does it photosynthesize?
It photosynthesizes, but it also can live without light.
How?
I don't understand. And it has a pellicle, and apparently it does have chloroplast.
Damn it.
I'm so confused.
Damn it.
So it produces its own food through photosynthesis using chloroplasts.
Oh,
it's a single-celled organism.
Okay.
Bruh.
Isn't it crazy that, like, cell organelles are smaller than cells?
Yeah.
Isn't that wild?
See, I'm pissed because, first of all, we didn't even know what that was.
First of all, I look good in the shirt.
Second of all, I look good in this shirt. Third of all, you tell me I don't look good in the shirt.
Exactly.
All right.
Next.
2 more, and I'm pissed.
Oh my god, I'm pissed too.
Which of the following are true about dermal tissue?
I might have a fighting chance with this one. Keep going.
Okay. Forms the protective outer layer of a plant.
Oh, we're talking about plants. I thought we were talking about humans.
I thought we meant... Okay.
Dermal means skin.
Yeah. Okay.
Were you thinking dental?
Yeah, I was at the dentist today as well. So.
She said...
Yeah. I was at the dentist. I was like, D-E, dentist.
That's okay.
But yes, skin. I know mint skin.
That's okay.
I'm sad now.
No, don't be sad.
I'm kidding. Makes the inside of woody plants woody.
Yeah.
Woody.
Like a tree is a woody plant.
Makes sense. I've never heard it referred to as a woody plant.
Really?
Yeah, no. I've never heard that.
It's like anything that's like stalky.
Makes sense. In non-woody plant parts, it forms a skin called epidermis, and dermal tissue on woody stems and roots consists of several dead cell layers called cork. Multiple answers can be selected here.
Yeah, I don't know any of this. I would skip this question. I would leave it blank.
We skipped.
Goodbye.
Unanswered.
Per.
Not even gonna read it. Don't care.
Okay, next.
Don't want to read those answers again.
Give me a good one for the last one. Come on.
This isn't the last one, so we do have 2 more.
Oh, okay.
I was counting wrong.
That's okay.
Which of the following are true about ground tissue?
Ground tissue? Is this about plants too?
I think so.
Can you skip it?
As well. I'm pissed. Don't piss me off. Which of the following are true? No, I already read that. Sorry. Wow, we are doing really poorly. Which are true about vascular tissue?
Oh, this is all plant stuff. This isn't fair.
What the fuck?
Okay, what did we end with a score of? 2 out of 12? 2 out of 11?
Yeah, we got 25. Apparently we got 25%.
Oh, shit. That's kind of good. We got 3? 3 out of 12?
Yeah, we got 3 out of 12.
Hell yeah! Woohoo!
Wow, I can't believe that. We did so poorly.
But we got 100 on the first one.
Yes, we did.
So,
how many questions was the first one?
11.
So
75%.
Fuck. Yeah,
That's not correct. That's not right.
We got 3 plus 11. We got 14 divided by 23.
Yeah.
12 plus 11. 14 divided by 23, what's that?
That's more than 50%.
We got a 61!
Hey, that's actually not that bad.
We just graduated with biology degrees.
But that was
and we took an honors level, which I'm assuming means...
like honors
in high school.
Yeah. But that was like all about plants. I don't know anything. I don't know shit about shit.
I don't know shit about shit.
Okay? I don't know shit about plants. So that's not fair. Okay. We lost her.
Okay, I got it.
We lost her.
Wow.
Yeah, that was kind of despicable. It made
That
me
was
sad,
really
I
bad.
think.
I know, that made me a little...
No, it's okay. We know a lot of things, actually.
Are we overcompensating? We know, like, a lot of things,
We actually do, though.
We, like, know a lot of things.
We do. I know a lot of things. Do you know a lot of things?
I I know
You know
a
a lot
couple
of things.
things.
You know some things.
I know some things.
I know you do.
At this point
She's
in
got
time.
some stuff in that brain, in that big brain of hers.
In that big brain, that big noggin of mine.
Oh, no. What's going on over there?
I have to end the Zoom meeting.
Oh, okay.
But I wanted to make sure it recorded.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yay!
I had to make sure. Yeah, there's definitely some things going on up here, but I'm definitely missing a lot of foundational knowledge, so.
That's okay. Do you want to share any of your bio knowledge just to show that you, or no, you don't have to.
Well, my senior project was about honeysuckles.
Yeah.
So the plant questions I probably should know.
That's okay.
But I did such, the thing with bio, there's so many things. There's so many, like, niches and, like, things that you could know about.
Yeah.
And, like, once you get up into the higher level stuff, the foundational stuff is just, like, assumed.
Yeah.
And I missed a lot of the foundational stuff. So, like, my senior project was so niche, looking at certain organs in
Do you want to share your
honeysuckles.
research question and what you found, or no?
No, it's, like, not exciting.
Oh, okay.
Sorry if anybody who cares is listening about this
okay.
project, but I just did not like her. But
Okay, heard.
there was also, like, very little findings.
Heard.
So,
That's
you
okay.
know, you know how that goes.
Science is a journey.
Yeah.
Science
So
is hard.
the person who gets passed to this project might have some findings, but at this moment I have nothing to share.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Science is a process. Science is a journey.
And yeah, and we took a bunch of different classes.
Yeah.
I feel like we ended up taking more evolutionary based classes than anything else.
That's like what I'm interested in though, so.
Yeah, and I like evolution too. I would have preferred to like spread it out a little bit more. Like I could have done without advanced evolution.
I could have too, but that was for other reasons.
Many reasons, really. Yeah. I could have done without herp too.
We needed that one though.
I know,
That was a requirement.
Herpetology.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers.
That class was fun though.
Yeah, it was alright. It was just a little hard.
Yeah.
For no reason.
Uh-huh.
Like, it didn't need to be hard. It could be fun.
Yeah.
It was about amphibians and reptiles. Like,
yeah.
give me a break. Throw me a bone.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. Yeah. A lot of stuff that, I don't know. A lot of cool stuff.
Yeah. I wonder if now that we graduated, anybody's going to keep up with our podcast.
Oh. Oh.
Like anybody that
Jade
goes
will be
to
here.
TCNJ. Jade will be here. Oh, for sure. Hopefully.
Boat show.
Olivia's listening. But I mean anyone from TCNJ.
True. All those listeners we have from TCNJ.
Yeah. Do you want to... what that one person said about me?
Your voice?
Yeah.
One of my friends said that Sophia has a sexy voice. That's a win.
That's
for the
my
girls.
claim to fame. Thank you very much.
Put it on your resume.
I'm putting that shit on my resume.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But she also said that that's why I couldn't... Why she couldn't watch the podcast.
Right.
So...
It feels like a cop-out if you're listening.
It's like a backhanded.
She's not.
Backhanded for sure. She's not listening. Yeah.
She's
I
not.
think we know for sure she's not listening.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, she did send me a picture, though. I forgot to show you this a couple weeks ago. Of the podcast up on her big screen. So they were watching it in the living room.
All of them?
I think I declined. I decided not to show you that for...
Wait, which episode?
I can't remember. I can pull up the picture, though, after.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was like, oh! I was a little mortified.
Oh my God.
I was like, so did you guys, like, laugh? Like, what?
What did they say?
I asked her in person. She's like, yeah, we only got through a little bit, but it was good. I was like, okay.
I was like
just lie and say you watched the whole thing.
I wish it was like a funny one.
Yeah, I don't know which one it was. I'll pull it up though.
Oh my God.
But I was like,
they're gonna love this one.
Yeah, they would if she's listening.
That's what I'm saying.
She would know the first part and enjoy it.
To her.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of bio stuff though.
Yeah.
Happy to be done, but there's always more.
Let's reflect on our college experience.
Okay. Ooh, yeah. Well, so we've talked about how we met before.
Mm-hmm.
But it was very funny, honestly. Like just meeting on online classes and like working together on like all these online things and not meeting in person. Like, what are we doing?
I know.
Yeah, and then coming to campus sophomore year. So feeling like a freshman, taking sophomore level classes. Brother, was I not ready?
No, definitely not.
Holy hell.
Moving away from home.
Yeah. I mean, not as much me as you, but, you know, still tough.
Yeah.
And, yeah, we had ecology first semester, which was fun. That class was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was
like
fun.
it was tough because of like being the first class that we took in person, but it was like fun. We did a squirrel squirrel project where we set up
squirrel feeders.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was fun. And I hope you remember this when we've talked about him on here before too. The one who flamed my ass up that one day. We can't stand him.
The one who also flamed me up for saying foyer.
Yes, him. He was in our group for that project, and we stumbled across him spinning in a circle.
This makes me really sad, actually.
Does it really?
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty funny.
It's funny.
It's funny because, like, I knew what he was doing, and I was like, that is, like, not the most effective way to do that.
I know, but it, like, makes me sad because it was, like, definitely embarrassing. Like, when we
He
laughed...
wasn't embarrassed, though.
Because he doesn't know that we're making fun of him.
Well, he was... If I saw you doing that, I would laugh, too.
I know,
it's not me making fun of you. It's just, what are you doing?
I know, but it's, like, it just makes me sad.
Okay, well, we saw him spinning around in a circle with the bird feeder on a string, and it's releasing the bird seeds. We were like, we literally walked up and we're like, what?
Like, brother what? Are you doing?
So, as opposed to just dumping it out,
he was spreading the seed.
Spreading his seed. Whoa. Shit. Saucy.
Oh no.
Yeah, so that was a big one.
Yeah.
And another big one. Same class.
Yeah.
So we had a lot of funny moments with him specifically.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't want to like hate on the man.
I'm on the edge of my seat.
When he said it was really hot out and we
No, also when his waders didn't fit.
We had waders. We went into the creek one day. There's this photo of Sophia and I that's really good.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen now.
Right here.
That's our first ever like actual photo together.
Oh shit. Yeah, it was pretty iconic, you know?
It is, I love that photo.
It's fun. But we were in the creek with our waders on collecting freshwater guys. I don't
Just
know,
like little
guys.
organisms.
And his waders, his feet were too big, so he was cramming his feet into the biggest size that they had. And I guess he was a little warm. Mind you, the whole time we're there, he's like, these don't fucking fit me. The professor's like,
like cursing, like saying that in front of the professor.
in front of the professor.
Like, these don't fucking fit me. Like,
this is the first month of school.
Yeah, for sure.
And we were like,
This is probably like our first or second lab meeting.
Not only that, but it was right after our first exam, too.
Yeah.
But he literally was like, these don't fucking fit me. Like, cursing up a storm. We're like,
Like, we don't associate with this man.
We were like, oh my God, that's embarrassing. And then it was a hot day, so it was September.
Yeah.
And he's like, you say it.
We're walking, he goes, I'm sweating like a pig.
Or sweating like a pig out here, like a roasting pig.
And our professor goes, overshare.
Overshare. Oh my God.
That was a good one.
It was so fucking funny. Like, what?
Yeah.
So that was hilarious.
He's also sat down in front of us way too many times.
Yeah, he, oh my God. So we've had probably every class with him. And
we can't escape the man.
We couldn't escape him. And let me set the scene. So this year, back in the fall, during herpetology, we had just taken an exam. I knew it probably didn't go that well. I walk in front of the class, turn my exam in, I'm like, damn. I like go back to my seat, or maybe it was a quiz. It might have been a quiz because we stayed sat. So I turn in my quiz, I go back to my seat, eyes welling with tears.
No.
Because I knew I didn't do well. And he does the exact same thing, comes back, goes to sit, we get a full ass crack moon in our face. I was like, no!
She was like, no, the cherry on top of my awful exam score.
They knew! I was like, I was already so down and I'm being kicked right now. For fuck's sake.
Oh my God, and that's happened multiple times.
Yeah, and then there was this is the last thing we'll say about him. He tried to take a picture of the he tried to take a picture of the screen of the projector.
Like if you're watching, he went like this.
But he put his phone out to take the photo with his back camera, and his front camera was facing,
and he tried behind him.
He tried to zoom while it's on his front camera, and you could just see his like face like. like a little smile. It was just you. I can't. You had to be there.
It's
it was really fucking funny though. But Sophia and I, it was like dead silent in the class too. So he was just trying to take a picture of the notes, and we just laughed so hard. We did a lot of laughing in that class. I'm sure.
Yeah. We were definitely distractions in that class for sure. Mm-hmm. That is
in multiple ways.
Yeah, we're just too sexy for everybody.
Yeah.
The baby was in that class.
So was the sexy man.
The sexy man kind of cyclist was too.
Yeah, he did. He probably was distracted by our beauty and our obnoxious behavior.
Yeah. For
no,
sure.
but yeah, that was.
God,
he was like the biggest character.
So many characters.
So many though. There were so many.
So funny.
So we had that class. We had genetics the next semester, which was a mess.
A single goddamn thing.
We didn't learn anything, and that wasn't our fault.
In between these two classes, I failed every single orgo exam I ever took.
I preserved my peace and didn't take orgo. As a BA, I didn't have to. So my peace was preserved.
Yeah. So I was failing exams in orgo, and you were preserving your peace. So
preserving my peace, exactly.
So that's really good.
Yeah. And with with genetics though, yeah, we didn't learn a single thing. So it's a real shame.
Yeah, that's about all I have to say about that class, actually. Oh, during that class, I was, what?
Sorry, I actually stumbled across a photo the other day. And I wanted to send it to you.
The arm?
The arm.
Yeah, I know.
Our professor, man.
Yeah, he was veiny.
Extremely veiny. And there was a picture.
He also makes me sad.
No, I know. He's a nice guy, though.
He's fine.
He's fine.
Married, so I don't feel that bad for him.
Yeah, actually. That's true. I don't know how he's pulling that either.
I don't know.
She was like very nice.
She's a queen.
Yeah.
But one time I was studying for genetics with the mean conservative man.
Yeah.
And we were in a study room and we weren't wearing masks. It was during mask time. But the door was closed and we were the only two people in there.
Yeah.
And then a different really scary professor came into the room and he said, "What, you guys can't read?" The fuck?
Yeah.
So we got
boom
roasted by the scariest professor in the biology
Remember
department.
when I got boom roasted by a staff member, like somebody maybe like working in IT or a custodian,
maintenance or whatever?
There was
that was disrespectful.
There was a TV on in a study room that we were in, and we weren't using it, so we asked us to turn it off. And of course, there's like 12 buttons on like a panel to turn it off.
There's no on-off button.
There's no on-off button. And I was like fumbling a little bit trying to turn it off, and he's like, "What'd you get on your SAT?"
Disrespectful.
First of all, objection, relevance.
First of all, what'd you get on your SAT, sir?
Don't piss me off. You're projecting. I'm a student right now.
Disrespectful.
I'm getting my damn biology degree.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was very bothered about that.
Yeah, that was
because I was like,
yeah.
What the fuck? I would have understood if you were like, even if he had said like, "Oh, he can't read," I would have understood that more than SAT.
Yeah.
First of all, that is a sore subject.
Just
but like, wow.
Dumb. Yeah.
Just calling me dumb.
Yeah.
Holy shit. And he wouldn't have said that to the two men that were in the room with us. Absolutely not.
No.
Don't piss me off.
Yeah, definitely not.
So that was a big L.
That's okay. We moved on. We graduated.
But yeah, no, the genetics picture was our professor's arm, like right next to Sophia.
Should I put it up on the screen or no?
You can't. I don't think you can see his face, so maybe you can. Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it on the screen.
It's right here. But yeah, so he's pointing right next to Sophia, and his arm is really—it's just so veiny. It's like it freaks me out a little bit.
Yeah, it's
really nothing
scary.
Against the man, but it just freaks me out a little bit.
No, he was looking nice. He was fine.
He was fine. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I'm trying to think of like other funny things that happened.
Yeah.
Throughout.
We took advanced evolution. Then we started to diverge a little bit.
Yes.
Because then I took genomics and bioinformatics.
But we're still taking classes together. Like we took biopsych together.
Yes, we did do that. But that was a part of the psych. Our psych.
Yeah.
Minors.
We took Soc together.
Yes. Yeah, we did. Wait, was that all the same? No.
Soc was sophomore year.
Oh my god, yeah. Sophomore spring.
Yeah.
Wow.
Biopsych was junior spring.
Mm-hmm. But then we ended up back together with herpetology.
Yup.
And another like fun food health and environment class. I like that one.
Yeah, I like that one too. It was fun.
Yeah, and then I didn't have to take any bio classes this past semester.
Oh yeah.
Except for my senior thesis, but
yeah,
that doesn't like count. It feels like for a
definitely not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, a lot of funny moments though.
We had quite the 4 years. 3.
It felt like 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
First year, I don't even know what happened.
Like, remember when I like had my dorm room? Like, don't you miss my dorm room sometimes?
Well, I mean, yeah. I like your apartment better, though.
I mean, of course, this is like an elevated dorm room.
Yeah.
This is like my dorm room, but elevated.
Mm-hmm.
But I loved my dorm room. I lived in a single, and I had an extra bed so you could sleep there.
Yeah, I did do that.
That was really nice. We spent like all of our time in my dorm.
Yeah, we did. We did do a lot of that.
When I had my meal plan, that benefited both of us greatly.
Yeah, that's true. I did use that.
You did use that. I used that too. It was delish.
That was fun.
Ugh.
And it was nice, like, living on campus, too.
It was really nice.
Well, you, not me.
Yeah,
like, me vicariously.
You sleeping on campus.
Me sleeping and eating on campus.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I don't know if there's anything else, like, crazy notable.
No.
Yeah.
There was, like, fun. I mean, there was, like, little moments. Just, like, random, but...
Oh, yeah. All of college was fun.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Flew by.
We did. It really did.
It does. It is really...
On to the next chapter, right, Justin?
Mm-hmm.
You might notice he has his party hat on today and not his grad cap.
Yeah, we couldn't just, like, find another grad cap. Yeah,
he doesn't deserve a grad cap if he didn't graduate.
Oh.
So...
Did Justin Bieber go to college? No,
Good question.
Probably not.
Did you?
I think he blew up before, like, he blew up in high school.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
No, he blew up. In, like, high school. Oh, God. In high school, yeah?
I don't know. You think he graduated high school?
Ooh, I don't know.
That's more what I was thinking when you just said that. I don't think he went to college.
Oh. Yeah, no, I don't.
He must have graduated.
He might have. Yeah. I think so. How do they do it in Canada? Like with
Oh, Canada.
If you need to leave early, like if you.
You probably just like homeschool.
Do they have a GED?
I don't know. I'm sure he just like finished high school online.
You right.
I could be wrong. I don't really know.
Shit. I don't know. You would know that more than me, but it's not really relevant. So.
No. Objection, Your Honor.
Oh.
Relevance.
Shit.
Yeah, college is over. Welcome to the real world.
We're gonna be hearing a lot of that.
What are your plans?
Oh, should I share?
Oh, do you want to?
Well, at the moment. Or
do you want to wait?
Oh, wait until it's
I think you should wait. I was actually baiting you towards I'll be continuing my academic career
Yeah, actually, thank you for asking. Yeah, I'll be continuing my educational journey at...
I'll be pursuing a full-time position at...
Yeah, I'll be moving to... Right.
Yeah, aren't these really exciting things, though?
I love those videos.
I know, me too. They're really funny.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to bait you towards.
I literally was like, oh.
I think you should wait until...
I'll wait until things are official.
It's set in stone.
I'll keep you guys on the edge of your seat.
Yeah.
Until I put down a deposit.
Currently, my plan for the next however long is just to work. Continuing my pharmacy job.
Money up.
I'm getting my money up, not my funny up.
For real.
So yeah, that's my plan.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? At least you got a job.
I'm working.
I'm married. Yeah. Working on getting a job, enjoying
grad life, yeah.
Enjoying grad life. Enjoying my vacay. For real.
No, seriously though.
I mean, yeah.
You deserve it. We deserve it.
Yeah. Yeah. We're living it up right now.
Yeah, I work 6 days next week.
Oh.
Bro.
Money up, not your funny up.
I'm getting my money up, not my funny up, bro.
That's what matters.
I know, real. Seriously.
Wonderful 4 years.
It has been a wonderful 4 years.
I believe this is a good place to end. On that beautiful note.
On that beautiful note. All right. Close us out.
All right, guys.
Should we... Hold on.
Oh, should we do that?
Wait, let's
turn our tassels, if you will. Yeah. Uh-huh. Damn right. This thing is bobby pinned to my head, so it might take me a sec.
Please hold as we take our bobby pins out.
Please hold.
Oh, Canada.
Celebrate good times. Come on. All right, you ready?
Wait, no.
I don't want it to knock over the iPad, though.
I don't know how many I have. Okay, ready? Oh, wait, I have one more. Yeah. Wait, no, I don't. Where is it?
Do I have a mean hat head right now?
No, it actually looks fine. I'm going to have a mean hat head when I take mine off.
All right.
Ready?
Ready?
Wait,
Angle it down.
Hold it, like, on your head and then take it off.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Set.
What did you mean?
I don't know.
Okay, anyway. Yippee! Tune in next week. Bye!